Hello and welcome to this project. So we will create an image compressor using Laravel and Vue.js and also Laravel and React.js. So we will have two projects inside one project. Okay. So first, let's take a look at what we are going to make. So you can follow this link. So here is our project. So we will add here a compression level, so the user can choose the level of compression, also the format and the row size of the width, and here the user can drop or drag and drop or click and select images, and once done he can compress the image. Okay, so we will not create the contact and privacy and other things, but you can do it yourself. So let's first see a demo. So let's choose a compression level. Let's choose WebP, and let's make the size optional, or let's make it null. And here we need to choose an image, so let's choose an image. So here is our image. So let's hit the compress button, and once compressed, so here we have the name of the image, the before size and new size, and we can click the link here and download image, and here is our compressed image. Okay, so to do that, so we need to install first the package that we will use. So we will use intervention image package. So you can follow this link and move to installation and copy this command and paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so while it's installing, let's add controller. So we will have only the controller and the routes. So we will not have anything inside our database. So we will not save images, or if you want you can add login, the registration and login, to make the user register and login to use the application. Okay, so in my case I did not do that, so I kept everything simple and easy to use. Okay, so first, as I said, let's create controller. PHP artisan make controller, and controller name is image compress controller. So hit enter and we are done. So let's move to our controller. So here you have the image compress controller. So you can read the docs if you want to know how things work. So here they have an introduction, and they have how to use how to create an image, and how there is a lot of things here. You can check it if you want. So here they have also resizing image effects, drawing, animations, and other things. In our case, we will use image compress. So first, let's create function. So public function. Let's remove this alert from here. So let's call it compress, and we have here the request, and let's use the request, and let's add code that we need. So first we need to get the image file from here, so from our form. So let's define an image file and use the request to get the file which is the image. So next, what we need to get the format also from our, which is this one, from our form. So we can use also the request and get the format, but here we need input field, not not the file, and we need to change or to make sure that the format is lowercase. So to do that, we will use method which is str lower, so to convert format to lowercase. And next, what we have so we have the format and we have the quality, which is this one. So here is the compression level, it is the quality. So we can get it also, but first we need to convert it to be integer. So we need to make sure that it's integer to not get an error when we compress the image, and we need to get the input field, which is the quality. Next, we have the final one, which is the width, and the width is optional, but we need to make sure that it's also an integer, and here we have width. And since it is an optional field, so we can give it default value, which is null. Okay. So next, what we have, so next we need to call the manager. So as you can see here inside the documentation, so they are using the manager. So to use the manager, so we need to import it. So let's copy this line from here. So here we have the new image manager, but as I told you, so we need to import the class. But I think it's, let's see if it is already installed or not yet. So this is the controller. Let's check here. So it's already done. So we have our image manager from intervention image.